Hello all, so I'm inside the Tata Nexon base model car. This is the most popular car which is launched by Tata, and majority of the people, especially after this corona lockdown, many of them are taking this car. So the base model is around 6.94 lakhs ex-showroom price, and the variant which is above the base model, it just have two features. It have a rear power windows, it have the central locking system and the basic music system along with the steering wheel remote. Okay, but for that we need to pay around 1 lakh rupees. So this is very easy. You just need to buy a base model Tata Nexon, and whatever accessory you want, you can install it according to your needs. You don't have to fix whatever which you don't want, or there is no warranty issues, nothing like that. So here in this car, we don't have a music system, we don't have a rear power window, no central locking system, no fog lamps, no rear cameras. So in this car, I'll be fitting almost all the accessories, okay? And the most exciting thing is that even the high-end model of this Tata Nexon is having a 9-inch stereo, but here I'm fitting a 10-inch Android stereo. So let's get started. The base model of this Tata Nexon, we don't have the fog lamps, either they don't provide with a wheel cup. Only the basic necessary accessories are included with this car. I'll just show inside the car. You can see that inside the car there is no music system. Okay, so there's a provision to install a music system, and also the power windows is only there for the front side and not for the back side. So we'll be fitting a rear power window for this car, also a music system, power windows, rear camera, wheel cups, the fog lamps and the roof rails for this car. I'll be installing a component speakers in the front side for the car. This component speaker is having a tweeter which gives a much distinguished better quality of music. An ordinary coaxial JBL speaker in the rear side, so that can give a much decent music all around the car. A 70 mat for the car. The advantage of this 70 mat is that it covers almost all the part of the car. You don't need to do a vinyl flooring in order to put this. This is the 10-inch DHC Android system.
started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen.